Hello and welcome everybody to Time Saving channel. In today's video we have an interesting option in Acrobat, Adobe Acrobat DC latest version. If you are interested to convert PDF presentation to PowerPoint, this is the best option to use in this software. You can find it in adobe.com. It will give you 30 days free use and later on you have to purchase it, or you can find some other way around as you like. So this software really helps you to convert any PDF file to PowerPoint and use it directly in PowerPoint in a professional way. Stay tuned and you will see how to do that in a very simple way. Well, in SlideShare we have one presentation, for example. We like it. If you don't know SlideShare, you have to visit it because it's really interesting. If you logged in by LinkedIn, Facebook or Twitter, you can download any file, but it will be downloaded as a PDF only. So we downloaded one file in PDF, which is a presentation, and we need to convert it to PowerPoint. So you need to edit this one. Go to File, Export to. You have the option to export to Word, Spreadsheet means Excel, and many. Whatever we are interested here is Microsoft PowerPoint. You save it anywhere. This file is big file, it's 80 pages, so it's gonna take some time. Based on the speed of your computer, it may take 4 minutes. It took from me 4 minutes. Okay, it's done. And now you have the PowerPoint file. Let us check this one. You will be impressed with the results because you will find everything could be controlled same as you created this presentation in PowerPoint itself. So you can have the text files, even the images separately. You can check any of these images, move it as you like. So you have a full control for your presentation. You can use some of this. We are not advising anybody to use others' presentations. However, you can use some of them to improve your presentation and reduce your time. I hope you like this video. I'll catch you in another video with Time Saving. Bye.